move to the next leg of the show. As we promised you, we'll get you the dealing room chatter and we will tell you what's on Varinder's lens or under Varinder's lens today. It's a very interesting company called BF Investments. I was just taking a look at the stock, Varinder. It's sitting at a 52-week high today. We know it's a Kalyani Group company, but what else does it do, I mean, for such a move?
Well, this season has been, it belongs to all these holding companies, investment companies. We mentioned about Tata Investment Corporation in the morning. BF Investment has been buzzing since last few days. So I just wanted to check, whether the discount is available in the market or not and whether that is justifiable or not. So just look at the company, as you mentioned, part of Kalyani Group company formed after demerging business of BF Utilities, debt-free company. Now, to study this company, you have to divide the investments what this company holds directly in the group companies, and second is the indirect holding via KSL Holding. KSL Holding is very important because there they hold nearly 40% stake, and KSL Holding holds 10% stake in Bharat Forge. So that's a substantial investment coming via KSL Holdings. And the third leg is the investment via KHID Economic Infrastructure. That's the arm which is building the SEZ. So it's an unlisted entity, but that also has a value. So if you look at the direct investments via the group company with the market cap of nearly 720 crores, which is prevailing right now, the total value of investments in stocks, assets, subsidiaries is nearly 3,500 crores. Even till now, even as we stand today, the stock is trading around 80% discount to its investment value. The reserves and surplus, if you check for the FY16 annual report, which is there, it's equivalent to the market cap of the company. You go into, some of the, the thing in the market is that whenever BF Utilities move up or down, BF Investments move up or down. But this is a mistake here because, the biggest portion for this company comes from Bharat Forge. As I said, the direct and indirect holding of this company in Bharat Forge is 7%. So out of the 3,500 crores, 2,000 crores comes only from Bharat Forge. So the underlying for this company is actually Bharat Forge and then other company. 800 crores value comes from Kalyani Steel. This company holds 39% stake in Kalyani Steels. This company holds 36% stake in Automotive Axles, which is nearly 400 crores. So the biggest underlying for them is Bharat Forge, Kalyani Steel and Automotive Axle. These are one. BF Utilities is very small for them. Also, as I said, there's a small SEZ infrastructure arm, also KHID Economic Infra. Keep an eye on that. The few questions which I really want to know from the management, one is the dividend policy. It is very, very critical, very important for the management to come out with a clear indicative dividend policy. The second is, as I said, KSL Holding it could be, is very valuable in that term. So keep an eye on what promoters does in terms of KSL Holdings, because that could see a huge upside in terms of what the stock could do. And KSL Holding is very, very important to see what the management does in the future. And third, of course, is what happens to this KHID Economic Infra, whether there's some substantial investment coming here or not. But as of now, substantial discount even prevailing as of now.
Okay, Varinder, thanks a lot for that. That's on B.